Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. So I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking and financial modeling. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and financial modeling and are currently working in the other fields. Okay. So in this short video, I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Then I will talk about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. And then I will take you through the entire interview process. And at last, so I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameter. Okay. So now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay. So the first thing that you will be requiring is the conceptual knowledge. So you should have a good knowledge of basics of finance, accounting, and time value of money. Then you should be able to understand P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow, how the financial statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. Then you should know like how to work on different types of model like the DCF, LBO, and merger and acquisition model. So then you should also be well versed with like how a business basically generates with revenue from its different kind of revenue streams. Okay, so what are the different kind of costs which are associated with the business? So then only you'll be able to do the forecasting for a company. Okay, so then the financial modeling is not just about basically preparing a Excel model and just doing something with the numbers. Okay, so how you are basically presenting your data with the have of dashboard charts and storytelling, so that also really matters a lot. Okay, so data presentation is also one of the skill that the investment bank firm or any recruitment firm basically looks into you. Okay, so now I will be talking about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling jobs opportunity. Okay, so the first thing that they will be looking in you is what is your academic background, what kind of college or university that you are coming from. Okay, along with that, so they will also be checking your how much you have scored in these post graduation and the graduation degrees, like the percentile, percentage, or grade, whatever is the case. So then along with that, so they will also be checking what kind of skill set that you have. Do you have the basic to advanced Excel skills? Then do you understand the financial statements very well, like the financial analysis skills if you have? Then problem solving skills. So if you clear on both of these parameters, so then you'll be moving towards the interview process. So then only your resume or CV will be selected for the interview process. Okay, so let's assume so you clear on both of these parameters, so and you have been selected for the interview process. In the first round you'll be going through a case study wherein they will ask you to basically work on industry overview, financial model, or Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear the case study round, so then you'll be moving towards the technical round. So in the technical round, so they will be checking you on the how much you understand about the finance basics, like the accounting ratio related questions and answer can be asked. Then in so they can also ask you a few questions related to the investment banking, such as WAC, beta, DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and equity value, etc. Okay, so then once you clear the case study and the technical round, so then you will be moving towards the HR round. So in the HR rounds, they will check your attitude and your behavioral aspects. And along with that, so they will also be checking your soft skills, like how do you basically communicate with the HR, and your communication skills will be assessed. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, so then you'll be selected for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so this is the entire interview process that I've just took you through. Okay, so now I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameters. Okay, so now I'm going to review a financial modeling course by the Valuation School. So the course name is Advanced Valuation and Financial Modeling. Okay, so if I look into the details related to this course, so these are the course feature. You'll be getting 150 plus hours of practical content, Excel template and reading material, live and self-paced sessions, and certificate will be provided to you post the completion of this course. Okay, so now this course is basically suitable for academic undergraduates, employed individuals, and the career shifters. So now I'm just coming to the course curriculum. Okay, so module 1 will be the financial statement analysis. Module 2 will be the intrinsic valuation. So module 3 will be relative pricing. Module 4 will be fundamentals of capital IQ. Module 5 will be basic Excel excellency. Module 6 will be advanced Excel excellency. Module 7 will be basics to advanced financial modeling. Module 8 will be DCF. Module 9 will be comparable modeling. Module 10 will be precedent transaction modeling. Module 11 will be basic PowerPoint. Module 12 will be advanced PowerPoint. Module 13 will be report writing, then resume preparation, networking and LinkedIn, cracking interview. So these are the basically the kind of topics that they are covering in this particular curriculum. Okay, so now I'm just coming to so what are the different kind of plans under which you can basically take up this course. So this program is basically available in the two options. The one is basically the recorded batch and the other one is the hybrid batch. So in the recorded batch, so you will be getting the access to the pre-recorded videos, okay, for a fee of 17,999 plus GST. Okay, so this course you'll have to complete at your own pace. So this is going to be a self-paced learning course. So you'll be able to solve your doubts over the text. Okay, so this is recommended for the working professional. And talking about the hybrid batch, so so in this particular program, so you'll be paying a fees of somewhere around 18,999 plus GST. And in this particular program, so you'll be getting a mix of the live as well as the recorded classes. So this is going to be a self-paced version. Again, doubt solving over text, recommend for the working professional. Okay. So let me see if they are talking anything related to the internship. So they are not talking anything about the internship if they are covering. Placement support is again missing in this course. Okay. So they have the limit to basically view this particular program. What is the validity and view limit of this program? So the access to all resources will be available for 1 year with a view limit of 2x. So you can look into this content for 2 times within a 1 year of time. Okay. So basis the details that we have looked into this particular course, now I'm going to review this course.
So you can see these parameters are listed on the left of the table. Okay. So if we talk about the course depth, so this is going to be a good course. So Excel skills that you're going to learn in this course. Live sessions will be missing in this course. So live doubt session will again be missing in this course. So internship support, placement support, so they have not mentioned on their website. So course fee will be good. Course duration is again going to be good. So then money back guarantee you'll be getting in this course. So LMS access will be getting in this course. So based on these parameters, so this course is scored 6 out of 10. Okay, so in case you are really serious about basically building your career in the field of financial modeling, so I can suggest a better financial modeling course, which basically comes with a complete package, which covers all the aspects that you expect from any good financial modeling course. Okay, so I'm going to share the link of that particular course in the comment section, so please check that out. In case you have any queries or in case you want to learn more about that course, feel free to ping your questions in the comment section. I will revert to you as soon as possible. Okay, so I hope you will find this video helpful, and thanks for watching the video.